Welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe. Also, when subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading any video, you can get the notification regarding that. Also, be a part of our Telegram family. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So make sure to join us at our Telegram channel. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about that how to prepare verbal ability section for placement. Recently, I got a doubt from one of the students regarding verbal ability placements. Like for most of the students, verbal ability is like a horror film, right? So they do afraid a lot from verbal ability section. Or you can say that English is like a kind of horror thing for them. So basically, we'll be discussing that how you can start the preparation regarding verbal ability section. So basically, according to me, it depends that how much time do you have. So if you have plenty amount of time, if you have lots of time, you can start from the basic. But if you have just 1 or 2 months, and usually students do the same, like they wait for the end time and then they start preparation. This is the case for most of the students, even sometime with me as well, right? So I will definitely suggest that if you have like 1 to 2 months or just 1 month, then how to start the preparation. Well, sometimes just don't relate the English part, like the communication thing, with that of the verbal ability section that we do get in the placement exam. So first of all, for starting the preparation, obviously you cannot memorize the thing, right? Because see, अगर आपने एक दो क्वेश्चन अभी याद कर लिया, then it's not a guarantee. Definitely, you are not going to get the same question repeated in your exam as well. Then how to start? Okay, so it depends on the exam. First of all, you have to choose that for which exam you are preparing for, which exam you are targeting. Okay, so which company exam you are targeting, basically. Like talking about TCS, so they generally used to ask closed test, where there will be some fill in the blanks. You have to fill the proper word according to the sentence requirement and according to the need. Or talking about other exam like is Capgemini, so here you have different set of questions, like is you have to look for antonym, synonym, and other sort of things are there. You have to do the comprehension based question in the English part. First of all, comprehension is very, very important. Like in most of the placement exam, you will get the comprehension. So start reading, build that habit of reading. If you have that habit of reading, like almost 70% of your work is done. Because when you will start reading, you will find some words for which you are not aware of the meaning. Then you will just look for a dictionary, or like nowadays we all have mobile phones, so just directly you can search for the term, right? So this is how you can connect. And see, I won't say that just start learning vocab and start learning the whole dictionary, because there are lots of words. Even I tried the same, like I made the habit of memorizing 5 words daily. But see, after a particular instance of time, I forgot all of them. And as of now, I don't remember any of them. So that is the case. I won't say this because definitely there are too many words. You can do one thing, you can relate the terms. Okay, you can relate the terms. By relating the things, it's very easy for us to memorize. Because if you will just memorize them, then definitely after a particular instance of time, you're going to forget them. So talking about vocab, just build this habit of reading the things. Build this. If you will read something, you will associate a particular word with a particular scenario, that like it's talking about the term fraudulent. So we know that it's related something with fraud. Fraud is something dishonesty. It's a negative term, right? So this is how you can relate. Mel, this is a kind of technique, like MEL, wherever this word is there, like malnutrition, malpractice, or any other thing, we can, you like, at least you can make the conclusion that this is what something like it is related to negativity. Some short tricks you can use, and this is how like that is obviously going to be very helpful for you. So first of all, what you can do, look for the previous year papers to get the idea of the level of difficulty. And obviously, like, concept clearness is very, very important. Okay, suppose you solve some questions regarding with sentence correction. Okay, you just go through the solution and you were able to solve them. This is how the things are. But if you are not clear about the concept, that why this was the error, why this was correct, why, just have this why in your mind, like why. Okay, so concept, like your concept should be clear, it should be crystal clear. Regarding about the resources, that how to start like For example, many of the students face problems in sentence correction. They are not able to recognize that where is the error, what can be the error. So first of all, like there are so many videos on the YouTube itself, like there are amazing channels you can follow, which you can go with. Just start watching. If you have lots of time, I would suggest to go with the basics part. Obviously, like most of us are from CBSE board, and so we have gone through this basic part, but somehow the concept started vanishing if we are not practicing, right? So it's the time you have to just revise those things. You are not going to learn something new because we already know all sort of things which are there. Talking about active passive, we have already done this in school. Indirect to direct, we have already done this in school. The thing is that we haven't practiced. It's been a long time. So that's why we are making mistakes. You have to just revise, you have to practice. Like what you can do, just go through a video regarding sentence correction. For example, you are weak in sentence correction, so just go through a video and start solving the questions. Like you will get lots of material on the Google itself. You will find plenty of websites you can just go through for the practice purpose. So just see that whether you are able to find out that mistake or not. Some tricks are there, like some videos are there that will help you in vocab part. Obviously, you cannot learn all the meanings. Definitely, you cannot do so. So just start making your own tricks. Start relating the terms. That this is how I can memorize. For example, if we have something like amicable, amiable. So this am is wherever we have this am, then this is somewhat related to some positive term. Definitely, it's not a negative term. So this is how you can relate the things. Like relating the things is very, very important because there are lots of things you have to memorize. It's not just the verbal ability part, the verbal part that you have to focus on. You have programming as well. You have aptitude as well. Aptitude is even more dangerous than verbal part. Obviously, it is. So like so many things are there. You have to revise aptitude formulas as well. So many things are there to make the things easy. Prepare the thing in your comfort, according to your comfort, because everyone has its own ability. It's not like someone is able to memorize everything in just 1 hour, so you will also be able to do the same. That's not the case. Everyone has their own ability, right? So that's what I'm saying. Suppose, so what you can do, suppose you have 1 month with you, just take the previous year papers, start solving, and you will able to understand it on what sort of, like what pattern they have followed. Try to practice more and more questions on this. Suppose talking about TCS, so they do ask question on closed test. So start practicing more and more closed tests. In closed tests also there will be tense part. Tense is very, very important. And obviously we all are aware of tense, like from the childhood itself we are learning simple present, simple past, and so, right? So start solving the things. And vocab is very, very important. Like in the closed test also you have to put some word that is relatable. So if you are not clear with the vocab part, if like this is how the things are going for you, that it can be difficult for you. And I'm not saying, like I have seen many students who are good at English, especially in speaking, but they were put down in the verbal ability section of some of the exams. So the reason is that sometimes we do like we are in overconfidence. Like I'm from CBSE board or I'm from any other board, so I'll be able to do that. See, everyone needs practice, so obviously you have to practice. You should not underestimate any section. Okay, you should not underestimate any section because every section has its own weightage, and a single mistake of yours can put you down. Obviously, it can. So just start practicing. 1 month is more than enough, according to me, for placement preparation, not for coding preparation, obviously. But see, being from computer science background, we usually put we usually put less concern on the aptitude part and English part and so, because generally most of the times we do focus on the coding part only. But when this is the placement season, when this is the placement time, we come to know, oh my God, that we have to first clear these sections, then coding, then so. So definitely, but just 1 month, if you are giving with full dedication, that's more than enough. Okay. Also, it depends on the level of difficulty, like which exam you're giving. I'm not saying that you can crack the CAT exam in just 1 month preparation. Obviously, some can do, I don't know, but obviously it's rarely possible. But for placement wise, because they won't ask you very, very difficult question, because even they do know that you are not preparing for a government exam, right? you are from computer science background or any other background, and mostly you must have focused on your own subjects. So that's why difficulty is not like, in terms of difficulty, that would be very, very difficult. But obviously, they are checking just the basic knowledge. Even if you will look for the questions in the verbal ability section, then they are just active to passive, indirect to direct, fill in the blanks, mention the error, which part is having the error, reading comprehension. And these are the things that we have already done in the school itself, not even college, in the school itself. So we can consider this as a basic pass. They are not asking us very tough things. So it's the thing that just you have to revise those things which you have read in your school. The level is of like, in terms of level, that is the question is of that level only. It's not that tough. So they just want to check that whether you are clear with the basic part, the fundamental things that we have studied from childhood or not. So just revise the things. Okay, just take the previous year papers and start practicing them, start solving them. If you are not getting enough questions, then you can see, if you like, if you just watched a video, you understood the concept of sentence correction, that first of all you have to look for noun, if noun is correct or not. You have to check for the verb, if it is correct or not, and many other things are there, adjective is correct or not. So this is how you understood the basic concept first. Then you started solving some questions. First of all, you will see the solution. Then you can do, like, you can say that, ma'am, I'm not getting enough questions to practice. So like, you can take the questions from SSC as well. Like, see whether you are able to solve them or not. Like, there is I don't think that कि यहाँ पे questions की कुछ कमी है. Like, you will get lots of questions. आप search तो करो. There are many websites from where you can get the questions. Even on the YouTube itself, there are lots of videos regarding English. आप watch तो करो. So that is the thing. Means resources come nahi, it's all about our dedication, that we are putting the efforts or not. And even if the thing is that you don't have to afraid from anything. Till the time you are not trying, everything is difficult. जब तक आप try नहीं कर रहे हो, सब कुछ कठिन. But if you will try, if you will make it possible, then you will think that okay, it was damn easy. Okay, so it's like you have to try. It's not, I'm saying just for the verbal ability part as well, for anything in your life, for anything you have to give a try. At least give a try from your side. At least एक बार, that just 1 month you have to give. I'm not saying it a very long period, but just 1 month. Give importance to these sections as well, like as aptitude and other things. Like talking about other exams as well, like for example, e-litmus. E-litmus is like when you're very good at aptitude part, and so then only you'll be able to score that 95, 94, 97 percentile. So it's just need the effort. Even sometimes you can make it possible just by giving your 1 month. Also, it's not like just 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends like how much you can give. Even it's not like I'm saying that you have to give 6 to 7 hours. Whatever timing is you are giving, just be concentrated with that. Okay, because this time is just for you only, and that will be helpful for your future only. Okay, so yeah, I think that is the thing that's important to discuss. And rest, you all are intelligent, you all know that what basically you have to do. Even if you're active passive, if you are having your childhood books that we do have, like if you will prepare active passive from them only, that will also work, because definitely they are not asking very, very difficult questions. We have already been going through this active to passive conversion. What is the rule? Just revise that rule. Indirect to direct speech conversion, revise that rule again. Prepositions, where to use into, where to use with, where to use by. We already know all these things. The thing is that we haven't revised. It's been a long time and we haven't revised. That's why we are making the mistake. So it's the time to revision only. It's time to revise only, and just practice as much as you can. It's not like every section needs practice, whether it's aptitude, whether it's oral part or any part it is. Everything needs practice. So as much as you practice, you will be able to make it better. So yeah, that is what you can do. And if in terms of communication, you are saying that most of the students face problem in like interview, they do face problem in terms of communication, the lack of confidence is there. So even I was one of this. I used to scare a lot when talking to seniors. Like if anyone who's going to interview me, like there are always kind of shiverness in our mind, and some kind of fear is there in our mind. Now, how to overcome this fear? There is no shortcut. like whomever you are just getting feared of. Like for example, अगर आप अपने सीनियर से बात करने में डर लग रहा है, या आपको जो भी आपको इंटरव्यू करने वाला है, किसी भी सीनियरिटी लेवल पर्सन से बात करने में डर लग रहा है, तो उनसे बात कर, जितना आप बात करोगे वो डर चला जाएगा. नाउ लाइक इफ आई विल टेल यू नाउ, सो आई कैन टॉक एनीवन. लाइक now that particular fear that was there in my mind, it has gone away. In the starting, everyone face the same situation. It's not like ये आपके साथ ही हो रहा है, ये सबके साथ होता है. We हमको डर लगता है that the सामने, like the person who is going to talk us will be judging us on different terms, like on terms of our communication, the way we are speaking, our body posture, and different things are there. But it's not the case. It's the thing that कि हम लोग we used to think a lot, ज्यादा सोच रहे हैं आप. तो whatever, जिस चीज में भी आपको डर लगता है, it's not like all about communication. उस चीज को एक ट्राई करो, उसको ट्राई करो. जब तक आप उसको ट्राई नहीं करोगे, that fear that you have in your mind, ये नहीं जाएगा. तो just even if you are facing problems in communication, then try to speak up. Speak as much as you can. Speak to yourself, speak to your friends, or whoever is giving you a company. Just speak to them, speak to yourself if you have no one else. And sooner or later, you will realize that yes, you are improving at a particular instance. So yeah, that is the only thing that you can do. So thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for watching this video. अगर ये आपको video helpful लगा है, then make sure to subscribe the channel. You can share the video among your friends as well. So thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.